Welcome back. Here we just display the integer type here. So the integer type is one is byte here. So you can explain what is byte here. So it can store whole number from -128 to this is the 2 plus 127 here. So this is the program of the our byte, and this is the output of the byte here. And you can see that byte just declare the byte with value, declare the variable with value, and after that we just print the value. So we just use system.out.println, and after that we just use my name num is we can say that this is the user defined variable. So I just go to intelligent ID, create program 06, and after that we just go to src folder, and after that I just create a right click here. So I just right click here, and after that I just go text term types to open. Okay, so I will wait for some time when it will be open here. So I just open it, and after that I just what is this open? So I just go to new, and after that I just create new class here, and here we can give the class name here, and after that I just give the class name, that is program 06. This is the class name for our program, Java program, and after that I just press OK here, and after that we just see how it is working here. So you can see that this is a public class 06 program 06 is our class name. Make sure that the class name and file name should be same. If you do not save the same name, it may throw error. So make sure that you remember that. And after that just use main method here. Here you can use public static void main string args. So after that we just input the logic here, and I just declare the variable with value. So I write byte my num is equals to 11. Here we can use void main for because it does not return any value, and public static are the keywords here. So and here just write byte norm is equal to 100. We just declare the variable and assign value and that 100, and after that I just print it by using system.out.println, and after that I just write my number. Here we just see, and in the here is program 06 is our class name, and here this is the main method here. We just declare for identification, and this can consider as a main method for understanding the program. And this is the value here, and this is the byte here. So this is the data type, and this is my norm is equals to user defined variable, and this is the user defined variable for it is stored for printing here, and this is system.out.println used for printing here. You can see that this is the bulb signer because it is not saved. First of all you just save here, and after that you just after saving you just compile it and run it here. So I just write it here. So after that I just compile it. So you can see that it is compilation is going on, and it takes some time here, and after compilation you can go to the running here. So you can use by using my mouse also you can compile and run, or you simply use keyword shortcut also. So what is the keyword? I just showing you in the description, so check the description for the what is the keyword shortcut for compilation and running here. So after that execution part will be coming in. So after you can see that this is the output here. You can see that the output will be showing here, and I just write that and this is the value here, which is this is the byte code here. So, and this is the variable here. The value will be stored in the variable, and this variable will be print by this as system.out.println. So this is the first step here, where value will be stored in the inside the variable, and the this is this system load of println which can store the variable, and after that this is the second position, and after that we just print the variable. So inside the variable the value will present, so the output will be show the value here. So you can assign value and you can display the value here. So this is the value. Thank you.